Well, today, 7 former CDC officials, they shared their fears for public health in light of mass firings and budget cuts by the Trump administration. Some of them also blamed misinformation for driving a gunman to open fire on the CDC headquarters last month. 11 Alive's Doug Richards has more on what they're saying tonight.
They hid in closets, they barricaded offices.
Barbara Marston says she gathered descriptions from her former co-workers who had realized their offices at the CDC were the target of gunfire nearly a month ago.
For 15 heart-pounding minutes, they listened as 500 rounds were discharged and nearly 200 bullets pummeled the buildings.
So my child was under lockdown for hours.
Abby Ty's child was in a daycare center nearby the same day. They were part of a panel of former CDC workers convened at the state capitol Tuesday who are troubled by current public health policy and disturbed that President Donald Trump has made no direct comment on the shooting.
Not saying that it's wrong, not coming out strongly against this violence, kind of says that it's okay to happen.
Panelists said the Trump administration's approach to the CDC has been to fire talented scientists and to rewrite public health guidance based on debunked theories, many advanced by HHS Secretary Robert Kennedy Jr.
In addition, spreading misinformation about COVID vaccines and about CDC officials there's a direct tie to that, to the violence that occurred on August 8th.
The panelists said the next few months will be key as cold weather viruses spread.
I worry about the upcoming flu and COVID season if people aren't getting vaccinated.
The CDC officials predicted that fewer Americans will get vaccinated this fall because of the turmoil at their former agency. At the Capitol, Doug Richards, 11 Alive News.